got to fix again? There's 3 things I've got to fix. I've got to fix the speed of which you... Actually, I might as well... Yeah, I've got to fix that. I've got to fix the speed of which which clams bounce back. I've got to make sure they destroy bread, and I've got to make sure they don't go over the wall. Yeah. Absolutely. And I need to know why this is actually not hitting the wall, to be honest with the case. And why is that bread not being destroyed? Am I missing something with that? When clams eat bread, what happens? We just set it to destroy. It's when clams actually hit. So what we might do is we'll move this down here. I'm going to set another different set of conditions here. So I've got is on collision with the bread blocks. When bread is not destroyed. Oh, that's else too. Move obstacles are a part of bread, right? Bread's in that family, or are they not? No, they're not. Okay, so it's LOS. Yeah, LOS obstacles. Oh, wait a minute. No, stop. We don't want bread to be a part of that. I beg your pardon. This is move obstacles. Yeah, that's fine. We do want to reduce that, but we also want to, yeah, that should be happening first, like the 4 H's down here for moving this one. So we should be stopping at that point. On collision with bread is not destroyed. That should definitely happen. Like, that should be straightforward. That should be a straightforward thing. Destroyed, yeah, true. It's all it needs to be, it's all that needs to happen. Okay. Yeah, that should fix it. Let's have a look. Oh, I got eaten. I had to face the right way. I wasn't able to do so. Oh, I can hold control. I forgot that. Is it control? Yeah, it's shift actually. Yeah, I had that as a feature. Damn. Whoa! Okay, he's rotating. Alright, that's a rotation bug. I've got a rotation bug. Hit him while he's rotating. Alright, that's alright. We can fix that. I have to change the way that we do things. Oh, I've also got to change preventing from dashing while he's being hit by a hammer. Yeah, because that does not take priority, man. If you get hit by a hammer, you don't go anywhere. Ads starting soon. Oh, okay. We do have to have a break because the ads are starting soon. And just for anyone that's just come in, I'm doing a welcome, by the way. That's the first thing I'll say is welcome. The second thing I'll say is I'm doing a 12-hour stream. We are 4 hours and 8 minutes, 4 hours and 8 minutes, almost 4 hours and 9 minutes now into this stream. And what we're doing is we're going to be game deving Chomp and Cheeky.
Hola, como estas?
Hello. And we're going to be fixing bugs, and we're reintroducing at the moment the hammer feature, so when you can actually hit clams with a hammer. So we're working on that at the moment. And I have a cough, so do excuse me. And
welcome back.
Every single thing we fix, we are going to be playing one game of Worms. Well, I'm going to be playing one game of Worms. And when I play one game of Worms, it will be I've set up all the teams in Worms. So basically, I've got Luke Wolf staff. So we've got me, Rhino, Suraj, and Akash as worms, because you only can have 4 worms at a team, right? I've got 3 teams set out for Twitch chat. So those that are at least 4 people, I need 4 people to be chatting in the chat for this. But if you'd like to be in, you're having your name in the Worms game, please chat in the chat, and I'll add it into the game. And essentially, you'll be in the game when we play it. You won't be able to actually play the game, but I'll be playing it. I've set a computer-based difficulty on the team. So basically, I will play the game. I could win or lose. I'll try to win, obviously, on behalf of Luke Wolf, but it'll be versus the Twitch chat, and essentially in a indirect content. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So welcome, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. I've got another bug here. Okay, so we've got more bugs. We need to fix that. So at the moment, we need to fix this one thing. I don't know why this is happening, but every time he goes, so he gets hit. Let's have a look at this. He gets hit. And since the hammer is actually now working on the clams, we've got a few bugs going on, so we've got to smooth all this out. So this is normal. That's also normal, except he should not be, like, he goes back okay, but he shouldn't be going back into the wall, and he shouldn't be doing that. So that's weird. I don't know why that's happening, because the thing is, I've got code here that says you can't do that, Dash. Like, clams are not allowed. Oh, hang on a minute. Okay, I know why. Because this might actually fix a lot of problems. We need to set it to false again. I forgot to set the clear to move to false, man. Alright, so we'll do that. I don't know why bread's not destroying. I'll find that out. Oh, on collision with... Yeah. That should be happening. 100% should be happening. Let me just check something. So, what actually collides? Clam box. Okay, so we'll change Okay, we have to pick the clan box here. Let me just... Conclusion with Fred. We're going to pick the... It's going to be the knockback. Oh, no. Sorry. It's going to be the clan box that matches F clams. Yep. And then we destroy it. But that also means...
Can you play Fortnite today on stream?
I can't play Fortnite on stream, sorry dude. I've got a technical issue with my computer. If I was to run Fortnite and stream it, it was going to switch off. So something I will fix over the in the next few days. I'm planning on going and get a better PSU. My PSU is just not strong enough. I've updated my monitors since I've got my new computer. And since then I'm now using more power than when I do certain things on my computer, like combinations of streaming and Fortnite, it will just switch off because there's not enough power. So I've got to fix that. But yeah, it only happens when I do the both. I can play Fortnite or I can stream, but I can't do both at the moment. So clan box. On collision with, we want to pick F clams. What? Pick F clams. F clams. What is going on here? I don't need to do that. Oh, yeah, I do need to do that. Sorry. Yeah, no, that's correct. Because that needs to match. Damn.
Hi, Luke Wolf.
Hello, Courtney. Oh, and by the way, Jacob, because you chatted, because we're about to fix a bug, I'm pretty sure I'm going to fix a bug with the solution. You get to be your name gets to go into a worm in Worms, and so do you, Courtney. So we're going to have more people in the game, I think. I might need another 2 people to chat though, otherwise we will start to cull the previous team. At the moment, it's all right. We can still make it work. But yeah, you get to be a worm. You get to be a worm. Okay, let's.
Well, I'm just waiting until Steve lets us know when he's done uploading his YouTube video so that he can do MVP night.
Yes, but you're going to be a worm anyway, okay? I'm doing a 12-hour stream. So you guys, I'm doing a 12-hour stream in appreciation for my followers and supporters. Appreciate it. The reason I'm doing a 12-hour stream is for that. Because we've achieved our follower goals. So when we achieve our follower goals, I'm gonna get eaten here. When we achieve our follower goals, I like to do 12-hour streams, and I like to, yeah, just stream for 12 hours. Essentially, we try to do interesting stuff. For example, I'll game dev, but then I'll play. We're gonna play every time I fix something against B-Bob, the big boss of bugs. We end up playing a game of worms, and I put your names in the game. So I put your names as worm names in the game, so that you're like in the game. And I play the game, and I set the difficulty of the computer for those teams because we can't do multiplayer, right? So you can't play it directly, but you can still watch it, and it can be funny. So we'll see who wins. I could lose. I could very much lose.